Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am bringing you a very simple trading strategy that you can use with free indicators that are found on TradingView, and you can easily make money with this simple strategy. I'm here on EURUSD, the 1 hour chart. What you probably want to do is to test this strategy also on the lower time frames and to just see if it gives you the results that you want. So basically what we have is a system that shows us when to sell and when to buy, because that's what many people struggle with. That's what many people struggle with, when to buy, when to sell, when to buy when they are in the forex market. So I've been testing this strategy, and I can say that it has been plus 80%, plus 80% profitable. So hopefully you can test it out also and see if it's able to make money for you. Entry rules, obviously, if we just zoom in a bit, our entry rules, basically we want this blue line or whatever color that you would have made it to go over this gold line or whatever color that you would have made it, because let's face it, people want different things. And we also want our candles to be blue and above these moving averages, and we want a buy arrow to appear. Then we definitely know that we are in a buy situation. Then definitely, if you're a scalper, you can go to your lower time frames and you can get a long position in this situation, because our signal appeared somewhere there. In this situation, we would probably buy there and would place our stop loss around about this area. And definitely we want to aim for a 1:2, 1:2. Or if you are confident, about the market, then you can increase that. But what we want to aim for is 1:1:5 and 1:2. So here is our 1:2 thereabouts. So in this scenario, then would take our buy there. That will be for 1:2. And if we go for a short, yeah, did I take a short? Yes. Yeah, our signal appeared here, and our price crossed below the moving averages somewhere there. uh, Definitely our sell and our stop loss will be somewhere there. Then would look for our 1:2. Our 1:2 would be around about there. Then would wait for the next signal, which appeared somewhere here, which it appeared somewhere there, and would then take our buy, would have taken our buy and placed our stop loss at those lows, at this low. Then would have waited for our 1:2. Where is our 1:2? 1:2. 1:2. We did not exactly get there on this point in this situation. So that's why I said it's 80%, 85% plus profitable. It's not 100%. Of course, I would be lying if I say that there is a system that makes you 100% profits in the markets. Then in this situation, you would have what? You would have bought, uh, because we want our price to be above our moving average there, and would use this last swing candle there as our stop loss. Then would hunt for our 1:2, which technically happened 1:2. It happened around about there. round about there. So that was a winning trade, and this turned against us and would say this is a loss, and here would wait to see what's happening. But out of the three trades that I picked here, we have 2 wins and 1 loss. Let's see what would have happened there. I would have entered there our price there, and I would have used this last candle before the cross, and where would be our 1:2, 1:2, 1:2, 1:2, 1:2. We are aiming for 1:2. 1:2 would have been there. 1:2 would have won this trade, and this is 1 hour time frame. You can easily do this on the lower time frame, and here we would have taken it with our candle that's above there, and would use this last candle below the price to find our 1:2. 1:2, 1:2. Where's our 1:2? Somewhere there, and would have jumped out of that trade. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades. We have 1 loss. Here, let's see what would have happened in that scenario. Would have used this candle, and would have used this candle for our stop loss, and would have looked for our 1:2. Where's our 1:2? 1:2. 1:2 is around about there. Yes, I don't know why it's right there, but definitely our 1:2 would have been reached there. And let's just do that, and do that maybe for clarity, and do that so that it's kind of clear. So that's how you would use this system. I'm not saying you are going to win 100%, and this is on the 1 hour time frame. If it's not working for you on the 1 hour time frame, then you might probably just want to drop down to the lower time frame, 15-minute time frame, 5-minute time frame, 1-minute time frame, to see what works for you. So the indicators that we are using on this, you need to search for ZLEMA. When you go to indicators, you are going to search for ZLEMA. This zero leg ZLEMA, zero leg EMA with a Kalman filter by Moti. That's the indicator that we have. It's that indicator. So what you're going to go to do when you go in there, we are going to disable this gray line, because it's going to come with a gray line there. We're going to disable that gray line, and it's going to come with its own buy and sell arrows. We don't want those ones, so we're just going to remove those 3. And here I'm using the default settings. Feel free to play along with the settings. Then we say okay. Then the other indicator that we are going to use is the chandelier exit. So if you just go to indicators, we are going to set for chandelier exit. This one, the first one, chandelier exit by Evergate. There's about 6,200 downloads as of making this video, and we're just going to add it to our chart, and we are going to go into that indicator. And here is the settings that I have. I've removed long stop start. I have only left the buy label. I removed this short stop, short stop start I removed, and only left with the sell label. And I removed the filling. I removed all the filling, and so I'm on that indicator. I'm just left with the sell and buy arrows. On settings, I've got my ATR on 1. You feel free to change it to whatever you want, and I've got my ATR multiplier on 1.85. Then crucial to making this complete is the candles. I'm not using the normal candles. Those are the normal candles. I'm using the Heiken Ashi candles, one of my favorite candles. Where's the Heiken Ashi? Here's the Heiken Ashi, one of my favorite candlesticks to use on any chart because they filter out the noise, in my opinion. So that's how you can use this system. Test it out and see if it's profitable for you. Otherwise, guys, subscribe, like the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Shine, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you. We died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop off fast to the surface. Had to cut